Plato, man of great wisdom, was a profound intellectual, philosopher, and thinker of Hellenic period in Greece. Plato wrote about almost every aspect of philosophy, whether it is metaphysics, ontology, epistemology, ethics, or political philosophy. His mind blowing philosophical works, Republic, Statesman, The Laws, Apology, number counts to nearly 30, are the remarkable milestones of his life. Question is, what made Plato Plato? Definitely his teachers and mentors who had great impacts upon Plato's way of thinking, who later articulated a distinctive thought process for the world. On top of his influencers, Socrates has a great fraction. For Plato, Socrates was not only the psychological motivation in philosophy as spiritual profession, but was also a true leader and mentor in guiding the moral and ethical grounds of life. In his writing, Socrates has a great impact. Most of his writing clearly depicts his emotional and spiritual attachments with Socrates. Socratic famous method is dialectical method of negotiations to investigate the deeper knowledge. Socratic philosophical method of philosophical dialogue was the pursuit of higher form of knowledge. He was of the view that only thing I know that I know nothing became the gravitational point of his philosophy in earning multiple form of knowledge. His discussion method became the central point of Platonic dialogues. Plato used to adopt dialectical methods in most of his writing, except two or three. Republic is one of them. Socrates' highly spiritual form of seeking knowledge persuaded Plato in the way that his ethical philosophy inscribed by the training of man at higher moral grounds. Plato theorized the systematic form of state oriented education. His remarkable conception of philosopher king was Plato's reaction to the state action of Socrates' execution. Political elite executed great thinker but could not his revolutionary thoughts. Plato then produced each of his mentors' thought onto the page of his writing. Later, Thomas Hobbes and John Locke theorized idea of just society for which rural must be wise and virtuous, which is a reflection of Plato's philosopher king. Second contributor in raising Plato's thought as great Plato was Pythagoras. He was a lead figure in geometry. Plato was great fond of geometry that he inherited from great geometrician. Plato engraved at the entrance of his academy, "Let none ignorant of geometry enter here." Philosophy and geometry are highly interlinked in pursuit of reality. This reality check in form of geometry has influenced the way Plato's thought process was being shaped. So, guys, the conclusion and the point to note is that it is teacher who plays vital role in shaping one's remarkable thought for mind-blowing career. So, choose your best mentor or be your ultimate guide.